Stoneworms Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus for Straight Talk. So as I'm recording this video, the Galaxy S23 Plus is up for pre-orders at Straight Talk. So it's $999.99 for the 256GB Galaxy S23 Plus. So yeah, so it's available in black there. This is what the phone looks like here. Y'all guys have your whole punch there for your front-facing camera. Earpiece above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. There's the left side there, has nothing on the left side, but you do have a bit of a camera bump down the back, so be mindful of that. And then on the back of the Galaxy S23 Plus, it's a triple camera system, camera flash, Samsung logo, and whatnot. Alright. Out of the ordinary into the epic. Meet the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus, the phone that takes you out of the everyday and into the epic. Life doesn't wait for the perfect lighting, but with night photography, you are always ready to seize the moment and snap memories like a pro. See your content no matter the time of day or on a display with the refresh rate up to 120Hz and adaptive vision booster. Capture and create in rich detail, and then use quick share to share across devices without losing quality. That's the phone front, left side and back. Very nice looking phone. It's basically Galaxy S23 but with slightly better internals and features and whatnot, and bigger screen. So yeah, it's pretty much a bigger screen Galaxy S23. So yeah. Specs: 520 hours of standby time, 5G of course. Your network is 4G, LTE of course, Wi-Fi. Your Wi-Fi connections are 211 ABGN and AC, dual band Wi-Fi, CDMA. Dimensions: 6.21 inches height, 3.3 inches width, and 0.30 inches depth. Screen size: 6.6 inches, dynamic AMOLED 2 times. Infinity O Full HD Plus flat display. Alright, you do get 3 cameras in the back: 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto, 12 megapixel front facing camera. Battery: 50 hours of talk time. Bluetooth 5.3. Battery specs: 4700 milliamps, 45 watt wired charging, 10 watt wireless charging. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 octa-core processor, GPS and whatnot. Hearing aid, talk time like I just said, 50 hours. Memory: 128 gigs with 8 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigs with 8 gigabytes of RAM. There is no 128 gigabyte version, so it should be 256 and 512 on here. I don't know why they put 128 gigs, so there is no 128 gig Galaxy S23 Plus. It's 256 or 512 gigabytes of storage. And then the weight is 6.88 ounces for the Galaxy S23 Plus. What comes in the box is the Galaxy S23 Plus 5G smartphone, Type-C to Type-C charging cable, some ejection tools such as guide and quick start guide there. Y'all will have to provide your own charger if you guys don't have one. More features: capture the night, even in low light. Make it at night to remember with stunning night photography. Night mode lets you capture brilliant selfies no matter the lighting. The power to keep going. Forget FOMO with an excellent battery life. Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus will be ready when you need it most. Watch anything in any light. No matter your environment, adaptive vision booster adjusts your screen brightness while keeping your content looking amazing. Our fastest mobile processor available. Smoothly switch between apps and live life at full throttle with our fastest processor ever. More storage, more memories. Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus lets you keep your favorite memories and any shots in between while capturing new ones. Capture memories in stunning 8K video. Recording starting detail with cinematic 8K video. Alright, so yeah. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus is now here at Straight Talk. This will be out February 17th. So when this video goes live on YouTube, the phone should be available for you guys to purchase for $999.99 for the 256GB Galaxy S23 Plus. Y'all guys saw that had 128GB on the spec sheet, but that is not correct. The only Galaxy S device that has 128 gigs is the Galaxy S23. The Galaxy S23 Plus and the Galaxy S23 Ultra starts at 256 gigabytes of storage. Alright, so yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.